I'm driving in the rain, just driving in the rain. What a glorious feeling, and I'm almost wet again. I drive down the lane with a windshield wiper refrain, just singing and driving in the rain.
Crepes, cake, and juice. This is something Grandma would make.
Grandma's not from Sweden.
The one thing I forgot to record was my conversation with the restaurant manager of the Ikea restaurant. He was very informative and very nice to let me know about all the imported foods that they have and don't have there at Ikea. Sad note that the Ikea Swedish meatballs are in fact made here in the USA. My meal was saddened because of that. And my heart. See you tomorrow.
Imported foods more.